Can you put your hands up? Hands down. Hands up. Two up. Can you do hands up? Yeah. Hands down. Hands up. Yay. Hands down. Hands back up. Yay. Hands down. Good boy. Yay. My voice is going to be extra annoying, right? Because I get to do that. Wow. That was great. You want to do it again? Hands up. Can you do hands up? Yes. That's it. Yeah, hands up. Is that awesome? Yay. You want to come to mommy? Come on.